Hi there, Christina here from Aisle Planner. It is so great to see so many of you making good use of our layout tools within each project. So I thought I would share a couple of tips and tricks as well as point out a new feature that we've recently added to layouts in Aisle Planner. So what you're looking at, this is a layout that I created for a fashion show that my daughter was in not too long ago. And as you know, off to the right of your canvas, you have a couple of options. You can zoom in, you can zoom out. This little guy, this hand, if it is selected, you could just click and basically hold down and grab to pan left and right, up and down. And this is a new one. You can actually click this icon right here to fit your layout to screen. So basically what that's really great for, sometimes I will zoom in just to fine tune some details, and I want to be able to quickly zoom back out. So rather than having to click the zoom out multiple times, all you need to do is just click this zoom to fit to screen, whatever you want to call that. You can just click on that and the system will quickly recenter your layout and bring everything front and center, it's just such a great tool to have. Also helpful for when you've lost your layout. I've done this a few times and you're like, oh, okay, I can't find it. Where did it go? All you need to do is click that icon to bring it back front and center. So those are just a couple of tips. I hope they're helpful. But if you have more questions about our layouts, don't hesitate to reach out to us at customercare@aisleplanner.com.